What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to use Samsung's Smart Switch. So what I'm doing is I'm transferring everything on my Note 10 Plus to my S20 Ultra. So first thing you need to do is you need to have both devices connected to the same Wi-Fi, and you need to have Smart Switch installed on both of them. And then you go into the app on both, reinstall from App Store. That's weird. Something happened. Okay, so it's saying reinstall Smart Switch from App Store. So let me reinstall that. Okay, so I'm at the Google Play Store installing Samsung Smart Switch. Just going to open that. Okay, so I have both of these open now, so I'm going to continue, more, you need to allow, more, allow. So I'm going to receive from this. So I want everything to go into the S20 Ultra on my left here. So it's Galaxy Android. If you want iPhone, you can select iPhone. It's a very similar process. I'm gonna go wireless, get connected, open Smart Switch on your old device to get connected. So I'm gonna send the data right now, wireless. See here it says Galaxy S20 Ultra connect, and this will take a moment, so I'll just fast forward this. Okay, so you'll see on this screen select data to transfer. Everything is 182, which is about an hour and 56, but this phone is 128 gigabytes, so I'm not sure what's going to happen. So I'm going to click on everything. Okay, so I'm going to custom select what I want and don't want transferred. So I'm going to get rid of the videos. So I'm going to transfer it now. Copy to your new device, yes. Unlock, so it's copying over. Next. "36 minutes." So I'll just fast forward this. And we're back. It took an hour and 14 minutes, over an hour. So it's all done, all transferred. So that's done. So that's the home screen. Going to home screen now. That is this not finished? Oh, organizing transferred data. So it's going to take another 15 minutes to organize everything. So everything is on the phone right now. So yeah, back in 15 minutes. Okay, so it finished organizing everything, and it looks like everything is there and more. That's probably the reason why I wasn't able to transfer everything. What I noticed was that the biometrics is gone. Just to see here, almost the same, very similar but not the same. All the bloatware is still there. I need to get rid of all that bloatware. So basically anything that I had prior to transferring is still there. Yeah, I'll have to remove that. So there's a lot of cleaning that I'll have to do. Biometrics have to be done again. The wallpaper didn't transfer, which is kind of weird. But I will check it out, and yeah, I'll investigate. Okay, so we're back here. I was just looking through my phone, and the first thing I noticed was the internal storage. So on my right is the Note 10 Plus. If you notice, the images here is 4.35 gigabytes, while on here it's 16.28 gigabytes. So I couldn't find any extra images, but yeah, so a bunch of extra ones were included in there. Don't know why. Everything else is very similar. The apps here, it says 30 gigabytes. The apps here says 10 gigabytes. But what I noticed was that there were apps missing. Yeah, so calculator, voice recorder, Samsung Notes were missing. There was a bunch of Google apps that I did not have installed. Then there was the initial apps that came stock on the phone, had to get rid of. And then the other thing was the lock screen. So the lock screen itself, because the wallpapers are different, it didn't, I'll show you here quickly. Settings, wallpaper and style. I actually should set this one. Because it's different, it doesn't have the, like, these are stock Samsung wallpapers, so I'll just use that one. So that's the reason why it did not transfer over, because it wasn't available. I have to check what's the deal with those images where I should have been able to, hang on, let me just bring back up. The videos here is just 13.6 gigabytes. So on here, where is it? So what about video? 13 gigabytes. Internal storage. Videos 13.6 gigabytes. So I'm not sure what the deal was when I transferred it over. I have to figure out the images, but people were saying on line that it's better to use the cable instead of over Wi-Fi, because people have reported missing files and whatnot. Okay, so I figured out why there was 16 gigabytes of images. Basically, it was pulling the images from my SD card, and I've noticed that those albums that I created and put into my SD card on my Note 10 Plus was added here. So that's one of the things I did not ask for. And also I noticed that even though this phone is unlocked, when I turn it off, I'll restart it. It shows the old network carrier. See that? Which I don't know because I'm not from that country, but it is definitely another network carrier. But the one that I'm using now is showing up, and I'm able to make calls and whatnot with no problems. So I'm not sure why that is. If it's a setting that I can remove, maybe in debug mode. See this right here? That is not normal. And then just let it boot up. And you see here, I'll go into the settings. Connections, SIM, and there you can see that the SIM is working over there. Okay. All right, that's the end of the video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below. Remember to like, share, subscribe, join us on Discord. Links are in the description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.